Hello friends, in this video we are going to discussing about how to declare the variable in different ways in Python programming language. So in the first method is we can create in the single variable and assign the single value to the single variable. Now to define the single value. So here also we can the single declare single value and assign single value declaring the single variable. So how to define the single variable and how to assign the value to single value to the single variable only we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all, here also I'm defining the one variable equal to a. Here also this is the variable. So I want to assign the value 10 to this particular a variable. Then we have to follow this way only, a equal to 10 only. Here also even I'm trying to print the value a, it will return the value 10 only, because of here also this is the a is the variable and also this is the equal operator and this is the value only. So now we are define the variable a and assign the value 10 only. So this value 10 is stored in the a variable only, and also this to the print statement. This is a print statement on line number 4. This print statement is display the whatever the value is assigned the a variable only, those value in the display in the console only. Now we are trying to display the now we're trying to run this file only. We are getting the whatever the variable a is stored in the value only, those value we are trying to detain. So now I'm trying to print. Here also we can print the value is a. Why? Because we are getting the value 10 means, so the 10 value is stored in the variable a, and also we are trying to print the variable a, that's why. And then we are trying to define the one more variable b equal to 20. So but this 20 value is stored the b variable only. Now we are trying to print the variable b, and then we run the file, and then we run the file only. Then we are getting the a value 10 and also b value 20. So we can see a value 10, b value 20, and one more variable we can define, c equal to 30. Equal 30, and then we are trying to print the variable c. We are getting the value variable c variable value 30. Like this here we can define the variables in single variable define, and also assign the single value to the variable and print the value of the whatever the value is stored in the variable here. We can define the. In the second approachment is define the multiple values and assign the multiple values, define the multiple variables and assign the multiple values in the single line only, in this way. So declare multiple values and assign declare multiple variables and assign multiple values in a single line. So here also we can define the variables, multiple variables a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Here also we can define the three variables where those variable names are a comma b comma c, and also assign the multiple values are 10 20 30. Here a storing the value 10, b storing the value 20, and c variable storing the value is 30. For our confirmation, we are try to print the variable a. Here it will return the value is 10, because of the 10 value we store the variable stored inside the variable a. Now we are trying to print the, it will return the 10 only, and then we are trying to print the variable b, it will return the value is 20, and then we print the variable C, it will return the value is 30. So in this way we can define the declare multiple variables or assign multiple values to the in a single line only. And the third approachment is assign single value to the multiple variables. Assign single value to the multiple variables. This is the third approachment. Here also define the multiple variables, and also single value is assigned to the each variable only. We can see like that: a equal to b equal to c equal to 40. Here we can define the three variables a, b, c, and also declaring the value is 40. So here also we can using the equal operator. A storing the value of 40 and b storing the value 40. C also storing the value is 40. For our confirmation, we can print the variables print of a. Before running the file, we are commenting these lines. Now we run the file, so it will return the variable a storing the value is written the 40, and again we can print the variable b and run the file. It will store the value is 40 is storing, so it will display the value is 40 because of we are trying to print the variables a, b, and also again we can print the variable c. So and run the file, it will return the value is 40. So finally we can return the values as 40 40 40. Why? Because the 40 is the single value, so single value is assigned to the multiple variables only. So that's why we are using this single value to store in the multiple single variable, single value assigned to the multiple values only. And also one more approachment is declaring the declare declare uh, declare multiple values and multiple declare variables and values, declare variables and declare variables and values different ways, different way. In that here also can define the variable a equal to 20 semicolon. Actually in the first method is we can define the variable single variable and assign the single value is a different way. A equal to 20, b equal to a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30. So these three variables are defined the one by one only. But now I want to define the variables along with corresponding values in the single line. Then at the time we can use after the value is ending, we can use the semicolon after that semicolon, and b equal to 30 again using the semicolon, and c equal to 40. So now we can try to print the variable a. It will return the value 20, and print of b, it will return the value is 30. Print of c, it will return the value is 40 because of a storing the value is 20, b storing the value is 30, and c also storing the value is 40. Here we are trying to print the variable values only. Here also print of a, it will return the value is 20, and b is storing the value is 30, and C is storing the value is 30. So now we run the file only, we can display the A, B, C values are 20, 30, 40. Before running the file, we are commenting these lines, and run the file. So we can observe the output is 20, 30, 40. Why we are getting this output means we are assigned the A variable is assigned the value is 20, B variable is storing the value is 30, C variable is storing the value is 40 only. In case if you not mention the semicolon, in case if you not mention the semicolon, instead of semicolon, if you are put that trauma only, what will happen we can see. So instead of now I am trying to removing the semicolon and comment, put comment only. Because of now we are trying to run this file only. At the time we will get in the error. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Maybe you mean the double equal to or colon equal instead of, because of this is not a proper format way. That's why if you want to define the multiple variables and assign the values in the single line only, at the time we must use the semicolon only. There is no other option. We must use the semicolon because of in the first approximate is define the single variable and assign the single value in the multiple lines only. But instead of writing the multiple lines, I want to define the each individual variables and individual values in the single line only. At the time we can approach the way is in this way. Okay.